Hi dear students, in this lecture we will see point of intersection of two lines and examples on equation of a line. आजच्या लेक्चरमध्ये आपण बघणार आहोत इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ टू लाईन्स. ओके, सो म्हणजे पॉईंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ टू लाईन्स फाइंड आउट करायचे आहेत आपल्याला. आणि त्याचप्रमाणे पाठीमागचं जे लेक्चर होतं त्या लेक्चरवरती आपल्याला काही एक्झाम्पल बघायचे. So first we will see that point of intersection of two lines. So this is our regular xy axis, okay, and this is line L1, yes, and this is line L2. So this is what point of intersection. So to find point of intersection, we'll use the procedure. In that procedure, yes, consider the line L1 which has equation a1x plus b1y is equal to c1 and the line L2 has the equation a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. म्हणजे हे दोन लाईन दिलेले आहेत या फॉर्ममध्ये, तर त्यांचा पॉईंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन म्हणजे हा पॉईंट आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करायचा. म्हणजे ते दोन लाईन एकमेकाला कुठे इंटरसेक्ट होतात तो पॉईंट आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करायचा आहे. ओके, सो हा पॉईंट फाइंड आउट करण्यासाठी आपलं कोणती प्रोसिजर यूज करणार आहोत, जे की ऑलरेडी आपण बघितलंय, क्रॅमर्स रूल फॉर टू व्हेरिएबल्स. ओके, सो बाय युजिंग दॅट प्रोसिजर we can find point of their intersection. So in that procedure, yes, what we have to find, yes, x is equal to, the formula is the point of intersection if it is x y, then x is equal to dx upon d. Okay, क्रॅमर्स रूलने आपण फाइंड आउट केले. येस, त्याचप्रमाणे y इज इक्वल टू काय येईल, dy अपॉन डी. ओके, इथं d ची व्हॅल्यू काय असेल, येस, d मीन्स, येस, इट इज डिटर्मिनंट ऑफ कोइफिशियंट्स, मीन्स व्हॉट, a1 b1 and a2 b2. yes, a1 b1 and a2 b2. dx means what, replace this first column by column of constant which is what, c1 c2. So c1 c2 and b1 b2. So dx is nothing but determinant of c1 c2 and b1 b2. And similarly dy is nothing but what, we have to replace this second column by c1 c2, means what, dy is determinant of a1 a2 and c1 c2. So in this way we can find point of intersection of two lines. The formula is what, x is equal to dx upon d and y is equal to dy upon d. Okay, so now we solve examples on previous lecture, that is equation of a line. Example first, find the equation of a line passing through the point 3 minus 2 and having slope minus 2. Okay, so we know that it is what, slope point form. So by using slope point form we have to calculate equation of a line. Okay, so from this information we have given point and slope, so therefore we will use slope point form. Okay, so let x1 y1 is equal to 3 minus 2 and m is equal to minus 2. Okay, सो आपल्याला स्लोप पॉइंट फॉर्म यूज करून इक्वेशन ऑफ लाईन फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे, कारण आपल्याला काय दिलंय, इथं पॉइंट दिलंय आणि त्या लाईनचा स्लोप. ओके, सो वी हॅव इक्वेशन ऑफ लाईन of a line in slope point form. Yes, it is what, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. ओके, सो y1 आणि x1 ची व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला दिलेली आहे इथं 3 minus 2 आणि m ची व्हॅल्यू काय -2. ओके, सो you can say this as 1. So by using 1 or from 1 we'll put the value. Okay, so it is what y minus y1. y1 ची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे -2. ओके, इज इक्वल टू m किती आहे -2 इंटू x minus x1. x1 किती आहे 3. ओके, so after substituting this value, yes, we will simplify this. So y minus minus becomes plus. So y plus 2 is equal to, multiply this -2 inside. So it becomes minus 2x, and -2 into -3, it is what plus 6. Okay, so since x has negative sign, we'll shift all this term to the left hand side. So it becomes what, बघा हा पूर्ण टर्म लेफ्ट हँड साइडला शिफ्ट करूया. काय येईल 2x. ओके, प्लस 6, sorry, it becomes what -6, and here plus 2 as it is, and plus y is equal to 0. Okay, so we shifted this term to the left hand side. Now -6 plus 2, it is -4. Okay, so we'll write first y, it is what 2x plus y, and -6 plus 2, it is what -4 is equal to 0. Yes, so this is what equation of required line. Okay, so in this way we can obtain equation of a line which passes through point and slope, having slope. Okay, so which is required equation of a line. Yes, so in this way we can find the equation of line. Second example, find the equation of a line having inclination 60 degree and passing through the point 1 2. ओके, म्हणजे काय दिलेलं आहे आपल्याला इथं इन्क्लिनेशन दिलेलं आहे. ओके, आणि काय दिलेलं आहे पॉइंट पासिंग थ्रू द पॉइंट. तर त्याच्यावरनं ह्या इन्क्लिनेशन वरून आपण काय फाइंड आउट करू शकतो स्लोप, आणि हा ऑलरेडी एक पॉइंट दिलेला आहे, म्हणजे परत आपल्याला इथं काय यूज करायचं आहे स्लोप पॉइंट फॉर्म. ओके, सो अगोदर जे दिलेलं आहे ते घेऊया आपण. लेट थीटा इज इक्वल टू 60 डिग्री. ओके, and point x1 y1 is equal to 1 2. So as theta is equal to 60 degree, yes, so slope of line is given by, काय फॉर्म्युला स्लोप ऑफ लाईन, जर का इन्क्लिनेशन दिलेला असेल तर स्लोप ऑफ लाईन कसं घेतो आपण, m is equal to tan theta. Okay, but theta is what, it is 60 degree, so therefore it becomes what tan of 60. So therefore m is equal to, what is the value of tan 60, yes, it is √3. so आपल्याला स्लोप ची व्हॅल्यू किती भेटली इथं, yes, √3. m is what, √3. Okay, so this is 1 and this is 2. So now we can use our slope point form because we have slope. Okay, slope of line and the line passes through point. Okay, so this passing point we know. Yes, so now equation of a line by using slope point form is given by, काय फॉर्म्युला याचा, yes, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. ओके, सो परत इथं x1 y1 ची व्हॅल्यू पुटअप करूया. येस, y1 ची व्हॅल्यू काय आहे इथं 2. सो y1 ची व्हॅल्यू 2 पुटअप केली. m ची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे √3 आणि x1 ची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे x1 हा 1 आहे. ओके, सो हा y मायनस 2 ॲज इट इज √3 आतमध्ये मल्टिप्लाय करा म्हणजे काय भेटेल तुम्हाला √3 इंटू एक्स मायनस √3 इंटू 1 इट इज √3. सो आता हा x राईट हँड साईडला आहे पॉझिटिव्ह. ओके, सो इकडचे टर्म आपण तिकडे शिफ्ट करूया म्हणजेच काय येईल बघा √3 इंटू एक्स ॲज इट इज मायनस √3 ॲज इट इज. हे टर्म तिकडे शिफ्ट केल्यानंतर काय येतील येस मायनस y प्लस 2 इज इक्वल टू 0. आता हे इक्वेशन पूर्ण व्यवस्थित रिराईट करू. अगोदर x आणि y चे टर्म लिहूया त्यानंतर कॉन्स्टंट. सो देअरफॉर इट बिकम्स √3 इंटू एक्स and then minus y and then what plus 2 minus √3 is equal to 0. So this is what equation of line which has inclination 60 degree and passes through point 1 2. Okay, so therefore we'll say that which is required equation of line. Required equation of a line. Yes, so in this way we can obtain equation of line when we have inclination and the point through which the line passes. Okay, example 3, find the equation of a straight line having slope 3 by 2 and passing through the point of intersection of lines 2x plus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0 and x minus 3y plus 13 is equal to 0. So what we have given here, yes, we have given the slope of line, yes, and it passes through point of intersection of two lines. Okay, so consider the lines, consider the line L which has slope m is equal to 3 by 2 and passes through the point of intersection of lines L1 and L2. Okay, where L1 is what? L1 is the first line. We'll write it in the form of 2x plus 3y is equal to 7 and L2 is equal to x minus 3y is equal to minus 13. ओके, सो काय दिलेलं आपल्याला इथं लाईन L त्याचा स्लोप किती आहे 3 by 2 आणि तो कशामधून पास होतो पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ लाईन L1 आणि L2. ओके, हे जे लाईन दिलेले आहेत त्याला आपण काय म्हणूया लाईन L1 and line L2. Okay, so see picture of this example. So this is what line L1, this is what line L2, so this is what point of intersection. Okay, so we have to find the equation of line L which has slope 3 by 2 and it passes through point of intersection of line L1 and L2. Okay, so now what we have to find? Yes, we have slope of line. Yes, so what we have to find? We have to find point of intersection. Yes, so the line L1 and L2 is given. So to find point of intersection we have the formula. Yes. So to find point of intersection, x is equal to, what is the formula? Dx upon d, and y is equal to dy upon d. ओके. सो आता आपण सुरुवातीला dx dy आणि d ची व्हॅल्यू लिहूया. सो d ची व्हॅल्यू काय येईल इथं? येस, इट इज द डिटर्मिनंट ऑफ कोइफिशियंट्स. ओके. सो दिस इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन. सो व्हाट आर द कोइफिशियंट्स? 2, 3, 1 minus 3. ओके. dx काय येईल? dx म्हणजे फर्स्ट कॉलम कशाने रिप्लेस करायचं आहे? कॉलम ऑफ कॉन्स्टंट ना. काय आहे तो? 7 minus 13 and 3 minus 3 as it is. त्याचप्रमाणे dy ची व्हॅल्यू काय आहे? येस, dy means just we have to replace second column by column of constant. So first column as it is 2, 1, and second column replaced by 7 minus 13. Okay. सो ही व्हॅल्यू आपण फाइंड आउट करून घेऊया. सो डिटर्मिनंट डी ची व्हॅल्यू काय आहे ते बघा. 2 into -3 it is -6, -6 minus 1 it is -6 into -3 it is -9. dx 7 into -3 it is -23, and minus of -39, so it is +39, means -21 plus 39. Okay, so it is what? +18. Next, dy is equal to, dy is -26 minus 7, it is -33. So to find x, we'll use this formula dx upon d. So value of dx is 18 upon -9. So it is what? -2. Next, to find the value of y, we have to put value of dy upon d. So dy is -33 and d is -9. So therefore y is, so if you cancel minus sign and if you divide numerator and denominator by 3, so 11 3s are 33 and 11 3s are 9. So 3 3s are 9, so denominator will be 3. So therefore the point of intersection is, yes, it is what? X is -2 and y is 11 by 3. Okay. So now what we have to find? Yes, to find equation of line having slope m is equal to 3 by 2 and passes through the point, we will say x1 y1 is equal to -2 11 by 3. So we have equation of line is given by y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. सो इथे आपण काय करूया? m ची व्हॅल्यू पुटअप करूया 3/2 आणि x1 y1 ची. सो y1 ची व्हॅल्यू काय येईल इथं? येस, y1 इज व्हॉट? 11/3 and m is what? 3/2 and x1 is what? It is -2. So here already it is minus sign, so this becomes plus. So after simplification, yes, just cross multiply it. So it is what? 3y minus 11 upon 3, and here 3 multiply inside, so it is 3x plus 6/2. Okay. So after cross multiplication, just multiply 2 left hand side and 3 right hand side. We'll get, it is what, 6y minus 22 is equal to, multiply by 3, it is what, 9x plus 18. ओके. सो आता आपण काय करूया, एक्सचा टर्म इकडे पॉझिटिव्ह आहे, सो हे सगळे टर्म राईट हँड साईडला शिफ्ट करूया. म्हणजेच काय येईल, 9x and this plus 6y becomes minus 6y plus 18 and this minus 22 becomes plus 22. So काय equation of line बघा. Yes. So it is what, 9x minus 6y and plus 18 plus 22, it is what, 40 is equal to 0. So this is what equation of line, yes, which is required equation of line having slope 3/2 and passes through point of intersection of lines L1 and L2. So in this way we can calculate equation of line having given slope and passes through point of intersection. Yes. So the other examples of this same type you can solve from exercise, and there are so many examples available in solved examples. Okay. So now I will take examples of next type. Next example, find the equation of a line passing through the point 5, 4 and 3 minus 2, and also find slope and intercepts. Okay, means in this example we have to find the what, equation of line which passes through 2 points, and also we have to find the equation of that, slope of that line and intercept. Okay, so first we will take the point x1 y1, which is the first point 5 4. Okay, and the second point x2 y2 is equal to 3 minus 2. इथं आपल्याला काय करायचंय, इक्वेशन ऑफ लाईन फाइंड आउट करायचंय. येस, जे की ह्या दोन पॉइंट मधून पास झालेलं आहे. ओके, आणि त्या लाईनचं आपल्याला स्लोप आणि इंटरसेप्ट फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे. ओके, सो हियर we have to use the formula which is what, equation of line passes through 2 point, so which is nothing but what, 2 point form. Yes, so what is the formula? Yes, equation of line in 2 point form, in 2 point form is given by, yes, what is the formula, y minus y1 upon y1 minus y2 is equal to x minus x1 upon x1 minus x2. हा फॉर्म्युला आहे. हा फॉर्म्युला यूज करून आपल्याला हे एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व करायचंय. सो या फॉर्म्युल्यामध्ये आपण x1 y1 आणि x2 y2 चे व्हॅल्यू पुटअप करूया. ओके, सो y मायनस y1 ची व्हॅल्यू काय बघा, 4 अपॉन y1 minus y2 means what, y1 minus y2 is what, 4 minus minus plus 2, so it is 4 minus y2 is minus 2. So if we put y2 is minus 2, then it becomes what, plus 2 is equal to x minus x1. x1 ची व्हॅल्यू काय आहे इथं, 5 upon x1 minus x2. So what is x1 minus x2? Yes, it is 5 minus 3. Okay, so हे सिम्प्लिफाय करून घेऊया आपण. y minus 4 upon 6 is equal to x minus 5 upon 5 minus 3 काय येतो, 2. सो क्रॉस मल्टिप्लाय करा. क्रॉस मल्टिप्लाय केल्यावर काय भेटेल आपल्याला, Yes, 2y minus 4 into 2 is 8 is equal to 6x minus 6 into 5 30. So since 6x is positive on right hand side, so we will shift this term to right hand side. Okay, बघा इथे x ला पॉझिटिव्ह साइन आहे, त्यामुळे हे राहिलेले टर्म आपण राईट हँड साइडला शिफ्ट करूया. सो विच इज इक्वल टू 0 इज इक्वल टू काय भेटेल 6x, हा 2y इकडे आल्यानंतर काय होईल -2y. येस, हा -8 इकडे आल्यानंतर काय होईल +8 and this is what -30. So can I write this equation is what 6x minus 2y and plus 8 minus 30 means it is what -22 is equal to 0. So हे झालं काय equation of line which passes through the given 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2. Okay, yes. So now again what we have to find? Yes, we have to find slope and intercept. Okay, so first we'll write which is required equation of line. Yes, which is required equation of line. Yes, now slope of line is given by काय येईल formula m is equal to, yes, what is the formula? If line is in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, then slope of line is given by m is equal to minus a upon b. So where a is nothing but what coefficient of x and b is coefficient of y. So coefficient of x काय येईल? yes, इथं बघा coefficient of x is 6, so this minus sign is already here, and the coefficient of y, yes, coefficient of y is what with sign it is -2. So minus minus get cancels, 6 upon 3 is equal to काय येईल इथं 6 upon 2 is 3. So this is what slope of line. Okay, and now what we have to find x intercept. Yes, so to find x intercept, put y equal to 0 in 1. So the equation number 1 is what? This is our required given equation of line. Yes, so this is our given equation of line 1. So to find x intercept, put y equal to 0 in 1. So yes, 1 becomes what 6x minus y is equal to 0 means this term becomes 0. So minus 22 is equal to 0. So therefore 6x is equal to 22. So x is equal to what 22 upon 6. So x value काय लिहितं x is 11 by 2. So this is what our x intercept, which is 11 by 2. Okay, again to find y intercept, put x is equal to 0 in 1. So what is x is equal to 0? Yes, so put x is equal to 0 here. काय भेटेल मग ही पूर्ण टर्म 0 होईल आणि इथे काय भेटेल -2y -22 is equal to 0. So -2y is equal to काय येईल 22. So therefore y is equal to 22 upon -2 means it get cancels and here it becomes -11. Yes, so y intercept काय भेटला आपल्याला -11. x intercept किती आहे 11 upon 2 आणि slope किती भेटला आपल्याला 3. So in this way we can calculate equation of line and also slope and x and y intercept. Okay. Next example, find the equation of a line passing through the midpoint of the line joining. ह्या एक्झाम्पल मध्ये आपल्याला काय फाइंड आउट करायचंय? इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन, yes, which passes through midpoint of the line joining 2 7 and minus 4 1. Means what? Suppose this is point 2 7 and this is what? Minus 4 1. Okay, so we have to find the equation of line which passes through midpoint of this line. Okay, म्हणजेच काय, हा जर का मिड पॉइंट आहे तर ह्या मिड पॉइंट मधून पास होणारा आणि त्याचा स्लोप काय दिलेला आहे? येस, अँड दॅट लाईन इज पॅरलल टू दिस लाईन. ओके, सो लाईनला पॅरलल आहे म्हणजे त्या लाईनचा स्लोप कशाशी इक्वल असेल? ह्या लाईनच्या स्लोपशी. ओके, सो फॉर एक्झाम्पल, सपोज दिस इज लाईन L, okay, which has slope m and it passes through midpoint of 2 7 आणि -4 1. ओके, सो सुरुवातीला काय फाइंड आउट करूया आपण? मिड पॉइंट फाइंड आउट करूया, त्यानंतर ह्या लाईनचा स्लोप. ओके, सो फर्स्ट विल राइट, yes, consider the line L which passes through the midpoint of line joining 2 7 and -4 1. Okay, and parallel to line 2x plus 5y is equal to 7. ओके, सो आता मिड पॉइंट फाइंड आउट करण्यासाठी काय करावं लागेल आपल्याला? व्हॉट इज द फॉर्म्युला टू फाइंड मिड पॉइंट? येस, सो इट इज व्हॉट? x y. So this is midpoint. Okay, so this midpoint is given by what? It is x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay, so इथे x1 y1 काय असतील? x1 y1 is 2 7 आणि x2 y2 काय असेल? -4 1. ओके, सो हे जर का दोन पॉइंट असतील तर त्यांचा मिड पॉइंट कसा यूज करायचा? by using this formula. Okay, so this is the formula for midpoint. So therefore midpoint is given by xy is equal to काय येईल बघा? x1 plus x2 upon 2. So what is x1? 2. x2 is what? -4. So 2 plus -4 means it is 2 minus 4 upon 2, and next 7 y1 plus y2 means 7 plus 1 upon 2. So what is 2 minus 4? It is -2 upon 2. So Kyle -1 and 7 plus 1, yes, it is 8. 8 upon 2 4. So midpoint काय भेटला आपल्याला? -1 4. So this is what? Midpoint. Okay, त्याचप्रमाणे slope of line L, slope of line 2x plus 5y is equal to 7 is given by m is equal to Kyle minus a upon b. So what is a? Coefficient of x, it is 2 upon b. b is 5. सो दिलेलं लाईन काय आहे? येस, दिलेलं लाईन ह्या लाईनशी पॅरलल आहे. सो बाय युझिंग कंडिशन फॉर पॅरलल we can say that the given line L has also slope -2 upon 5. Okay, so as line L is parallel to the line 2x plus 5y is equal to 7. So therefore it has same slope, that is m is equal to -2 upon 5. ओके, सो काय काय भेटलं आपल्याला? येस, पॉइंट भेटला ज्यामधून लाईन पास होते आणि स्लोप. सो देअरफॉर इक्वेशन ऑफ लाईन or equation of required line having slope -2 upon 5 and passes through the point. Yes, what is midpoint? -1 4 is given by Kyle y minus y1 ची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे? 4 is equal to m is -2 upon 5 into x minus x1. x1 किती आहे? -1 आहे, सो हा मायनस मायनस प्लस होईल. येस, त्याचप्रमाणे येस आफ्टर क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन काय येईल बघा, हा 5 इकडे मल्टिप्लाय करा म्हणजे काय येईल? 5y -20 इज इक्वल टू -2 आतमध्ये मल्टिप्लाय करा, काय येईल? -2x आणि हा आतमध्ये परत मल्टिप्लाय करा म्हणजे काय येईल? -2. Okay, since x has negative sign, so we'll shift this term to the left hand side. So it becomes what? 2x plus 2, and this is what? Plus 5y minus 20 is equal to 0. So x आणि y ची टर्म कलेक्ट करूया अगोदर. सो काय येईल? 2x plus 5y, त्यानंतर 2 minus 20 हा काय होईल? -18 is equal to 0. Okay, so which is required equation of line? Yes, which is required equation of line. ओके, सो अशा प्रकारे जर का दिलेला लाईन, yes, it passes through midpoint and parallel to given line, then we can find equation of line by using this method. Next example, find the equation of line through 3 minus 1 and perpendicular to the line 2x minus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. ओके, सो म्हणजेच काय दिलेलं आपल्याला? दिलेली लाईन ही कोणत्या पॉइंट मधून पास होते? 3 minus 1 या पॉइंट मधून पास होते आणि ती कशाला परपेंडिक्युलर आहे? 2x minus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. So suppose this is the line, okay, which has equation 2x minus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so we will denote slope of this line m. Okay, तर ह्याला परपेंडिक्युलर जी लाईन असेल त्याचा स्लोप काय असेल? येस, आय हॅव ऑलरेडी गिवन यू, इट इज व्हॉट? निगेटिव्ह रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ slope of this line. So it is what? -1 upon m. Okay, so by using this we can calculate slope of line L. Yes, so we'll write the given information. Consider the line L passes through the point 3 minus 1 and perpendicular to the line 2x minus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. हे दिलेल्या इन्फॉर्मेशन आपण लिहून घेतलं. आता काय फाइंड आउट करूया आपण? स्लोप ऑफ दिस लाईन. ओके, सो स्लोप ऑफ लाईन 2x minus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0 is given by, yes, what is the formula? M is equal to minus a means coefficient of x, Kyle -2 upon coefficient of y, it is what? -3. So that is m is nothing but 2 by 3. Okay. So as line L is perpendicular to the line 2x minus 3y minus 1 equal to 0. So therefore slope of line L is given by काय येईल फॉर्म्युला त्याचा yes it is what its slope is nothing but yes m is equal to minus 1 upon what is the slope of perpendicular line it is 2 by 3 so therefore we will use 2 by 3 okay so here you can denote this slope by m dash to avoid confusion okay so therefore the slope of required line L m is given by minus 1 upon this slope which is nothing but 2 by 3 so therefore it becomes minus reciprocal of 2 by 3 is what minus 3 by 2 so in this way we have the slope m and also we have the point through which line passes okay so therefore by using slope point form equation of line L passes through the point 3 minus 1 and slope m is equal to minus 3 by 2 is given by yes what is the formula y minus y1 now I am putting directly value so what is y1 here it is minus 1 so it becomes what minus minus plus is equal to m into x minus x1 x1 is what 3 okay so after simplification it becomes what value of m we have to put so value of m is what it is minus 3 by 2 okay into x minus 3 okay so हा सिम्प्लिफाय करून घेऊया आपण हा 2 लेफ्ट हँड साइडला मल्टिप्लाय करा so it becomes what 2y plus 2 and now multiply this minus 3 inside so it becomes minus 3x and minus minus plus 3 into 3 is 9 okay so again here x has negative sign so we will shift this term to the left hand side so this becomes 3x okay now 3x minus 9 and now here on left hand side terms are already available these are what 2y plus 2 is equal to 0 ओके सो हेच आपण रिराईट करूया अगोदर x आणि y चे टर्म लिहूया काय येईल 3x प्लस 2y and then minus 9 plus 2 so it is what minus 7 is equal to 0 so 3x plus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0 which is required equation of line okay so in this way you can calculate the equation of line when it passes through the given point okay and it is perpendicular to the line 2x minus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0 okay next example find p if the line joining 4 5 and p minus 5 is bisected by the line 2x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0 so what the information we have this is the line okay joining the point 4 5 and p minus 5 and there is another line yes that line is yes that line bisects this line okay so the line of this equation is what 2x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0 so bisect means what it passes through midpoint of this point so this is the midpoint of this line okay So through this point this line passes. Okay, so that means the line joining 4 5 and p minus 5 is bisected by the lines 2x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, सो बघा तुमच्या लक्षात येते का एक्झाम्पल डायग्राम एक्झाम मध्ये काढायची गरज नाहीये, फक्त समजण्यासाठी डायग्राम मी काढतोय पिक्चर. सो व्हॉट इज दॅट, हे दोन पॉइंट आहेत. ओके, हे दोन पॉइंट ना जॉईन करणारी ही लाईन आहे. सो पॉइंट कोणते कोणते आहेत, 4 5 आणि p मायनस 5. ओके, तर ह्या दोन पॉइंट ना जी लाईन जॉईन करते ती जी लाईन आहे, येस इट इज बायसेक्टेड. Bisected means what? It cuts into two equal parts by the line 2x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. So suppose this is the midpoint of this line, which is what? xy. Okay, so from this point this line 2x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0 passes. Okay, so by using this information we have to find the value of p. Since this line passes through this point, so this point must satisfy this equation. Okay, so by using that information only we have to solve this example. Okay, so लक्षात येते सगळ्यांच्या. So consider the line L joining the points 4 5 and p minus 5. Okay, so midpoint of this line L is given by xy is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2 comma y1 plus y1 upon 2. ओके, सो ह्या लाईनचा आपल्याला मिड पॉइंट फाइंड आउट करायचा आहे. मिड पॉइंट फाइंड आउट करण्यासाठी फॉर्म्युला काय, x1 प्लस x2 अपॉन 2 comma y1 plus y2 upon 2. So what are the x1 y1? Yes, this is x1, this is x2. So x1 plus x2 means what? It is 4 plus p upon 2, and y1 plus y2 means 5 minus 5. So 5 plus minus 5 upon 2. Okay, so this becomes what? xy is equal to 4 plus p upon 2, and 5 minus 5 guys, it is 0. Okay, so in this way midpoint of line is what? xy, it is 4 plus p upon 2 comma 0. Okay, so what is the given information? The given information is this line. Yes, so this line bisects the line joining points, means what? This line passes through midpoint. Okay, so by using this information, as the line 2x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0, bisect the line L, so it passes through the midpoint xy, which is what? 4 plus p by 2 comma 0. Okay, so as it passes bisect the line L, so it must pass through the midpoint xy, which is nothing but what? 4 plus p by 2, yes, comma 0. That is midpoint must satisfy the equation of line. Okay, so this midpoint must satisfy this equation of line. Okay, so therefore put the value of put the value of xy is equal to 4 plus p by 2 comma 0 in line 2x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. ओके, सो लक्षात येते का बघा. येस, हा जो पॉइंट आहे मिड पॉइंट तो काय होतोय, इट मस्ट सॅटिस्फाय द गिवन इक्वेशन. वाय? बिकॉज this line passes through this point. Okay, therefore this point must satisfy this equation. So putting the value of putting the value of this point into this line. Yes, therefore we have 2 into, what is the value of x? It is what? 4 plus p by 2 plus 3 into, what is the value of y? It is 0 minus 6 is equal to 0. So this 2 get cancels. So it is what? 4 plus p. Okay, so this becomes 0 minus 6 is equal to 0. So what is 4 minus 6? It is minus 2. So p minus 2 is equal to 0. So therefore p is equal to 2. Okay,